Hi, this is Ansu watching Mr. Ans channel on YouTube. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can add border around our HTML table. Starting our HTML tag, starting our head tag. So, in the head, we have to use style tag. In the style tag, table, table head, table data. So, table head, table data, and table will contain the border solid black 1px solid black. So this solid black will be around table head and table data. So we used in the style tag border 1px solid black, and we just declare it. So next we are closing our style tag. So next we are also ending our head tag. Next we are starting our body. In the body we will write a table data and table headings. Heading 2 for example is table border. So we are making our border for our table. We also have a paragraph. So we are using CSS border property. Which is the CS border property? We are using in the tag. Here you can see table style width 100%. So you can also change the width of this your table in the HTML. So next we are starting our table row. In the table rows, the first name, last name. This is our table headings. First name and last name. Table heading also age. So there are three table headings. We have first name, last name and age. Next we are closing our table row tag. Next also we are starting our table row tag. In the table row tag, next we are entering data, table data. For example, this. You can also write here next name. You can write any data. Sorry, this. And this is your age. Next we are again starting our, so we are here closing our table row. Next closing table tag, next body and next HTML tag. So this whole code you can see. Let's copy it. Paste it on the notepad. Save it. HTML. Sorry, HTML है. Let's open our table. So here you can see guys, this is your table. So we draw this table with your headings, table headings and table data. So we are again going for our code. So gonna see you next video. Goodbye for now.